What's up, guys? Back again for another Circle G Reviews. Today again coming at you from the garden shed. Alright guys, so today I want to show you the Schrade Steelhead. It is a Tonto style folder. The blade is 3.5 inches long, AUS 10 steel, G10 handles, liner lock, finger flip. It is oxide black. It weighs in at approximately 3.6 ounces. Overall length is 8 inches. It's hollow ground. Now we'll get into the things that I like about it. It's fairly lightweight. The clip is holding up pretty good. The handles, they feel good in the hand. Fairly low profile. I think it's 0.75, 3/4 of an inch, whatever, thick on the handles, and it's 0.125 of an inch on the blade thickness. Holds an edge pretty good. I've only had to sharpen it once. I think at the time when I bought it, now I bought it off of a tool truck, so I overpaid already. I believe I paid $56, something like that for it. You can get it, I'm sure, on Amazon for probably $35. I think Schrade's website it's $33 or $36 or something. Overall, I like the knife. Now, I haven't put it through trying to chop wood or, you know, something that the knife was not designed for. But for just being an EDC, something I can carry in my pocket, it fits the bill. Now let's get into the things that I don't like. I don't like that it is, one, made in China. Two, it is not assisted opening or a spring opener. Now, it opens like this now, but so many Chinese made knives like this and are not assisted opening. Over time, with heavy use, I have had fail. It's supposed to have ultra glide bearings and things like that. It does have a lanyard spot if you wish to put that on there. But overall, for the price, I mean, you really can't complain. So if you're looking for a decent price knife, kind of in that Tonto style, that has a decent edge, it's decent steel, opens fairly clean, then check out the Schrade Steelhead. Alright guys, I appreciate it. If you're a subscriber, you know what to do. Like the video, share the channel. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, like the video, share the channel, hit the bell icon, and as always guys, we'll see you in the next video. Appreciate you. Shalom.